In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on Apple Watch 2026 full guide. If you're juggling errands, workouts, or a busy commute, stopping to type on your phone can break your flow. The good news is you can access powerful AI right from your wrist with a smooth watch-first experience. We'll install a dedicated watch app, link it to your account securely, pin a shortcut to your watch face, use clear voice prompts for fast results, and share answers in a tap. Start by installing a native watchOS client so everything feels quick and touch-friendly on the small screen. Press the digital crown to open your app grid, then tap the App Store. Use dictation or Scribble to search for a dedicated client such as PD or WatchGPT. Tap Get, double-click the side button to confirm, and let it install directly on the watch. A quick tip: choose an app that supports complications and has an iPhone companion so setup and syncing are effortless. Next, authenticate and sync your account from the iPhone companion app. Open the matching app on your iPhone, head into settings, and choose your preferred model, like GPT-4o or the latest reasoning option offered. Sign in securely, or if the app supports developer keys, follow the on-screen steps to add yours privately and keep it safe. Tap Save, and the settings will sync to your watch over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure both devices are nearby and connected for the fastest handoff. With the connection live, add a shortcut right on your watch face so you can launch ChatGPT without hunting through apps. Press and hold your current watch face, tap Edit, then swipe to Complications. Pick an open slot, scroll to find your new ChatGPT app, and choose the icon or a modular text style. Press the digital crown to save. Now you have one-tap access anytime you raise your wrist. You're ready for hands-free prompting. Tap the complication to open the app, tap the microphone, and speak clearly. Keep prompts concise and structured so results fit neatly on the small display. For example, act as an elite personal productivity coach. Give me a concise, bulleted 3-step afternoon checklist to recover my physical energy levels and beat fatigue without drinking caffeine. Keep the total output under 40 words. Lower your wrist and let the watch stream back a tight, readable answer. Finally, put responses to work. When the reply appears, scroll to the bottom and tap Share. Choose Messages or Mail, pick a contact, and send the exact text right from your wrist. If you need a bigger screen, you can hand off to your iPhone and continue there seamlessly. That's it. Handing quick planning, translations, and daily organization to your watch frees you from constant phone time and keeps you moving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.